video, we're doing a Nightclub Two Step called the right hand turn. We'll show it to you first and then we'll break it down. So it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So I'm going to have Dick explain it. We'll have Dick start off using his footwork first.
Okay, my footwork for the leader, if I'm facing the camera, I'm going to be turning in this demonstration to my right, clockwise. So the setup is this. I rock straight back. I don't go back at an angle, so I want to make that clear on these turns. Straight back, and in this case, 90 degrees. That is a long count. Then I go side, cross, side. I'm going to do that again. Rock, back, step to the side, side, cross, side again. Rock, back, step to the side, side, cross, side. I'm taking my chest around 1 and 2. So keep good dance frame on this. That should handle the leader's footwork.
Okay, so for the follower, what she'll do is, let's say she's in his arms here, she's gonna go 1 and 2. Her foot will go in between his 2 feet. We'll do a side, cross, side right here. He'll go 1 and 2. My foot's in between his 2 feet. 3 and 4. So I'll show you what that looks like nice and slow. I'll start right here. I guess right here is fine. I'm gonna go 1 and 2. You can see my foot's right in between his 2 feet. 3 and 4 again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that looks good. So what I'd like to do before we end this video is to show the difference between a right and a left-hand turn.
Okay, so leaders, a left-hand turn goes counterclockwise. The one we're showing right now goes clockwise. So I'll do the right first and then the left. You can see the difference.
1 and 2. 3 and 4.
Now I'm going to go to my left, counterclockwise. 1 and 2. Notice my shoe is in between her 2 feet. 3 and 4. Back to the right, clockwise. And 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2. So you can see the difference. That was a left.
Okay. All right. Yeah. And on the left-hand turn, just so we know, I'm going to go outside partner. So I go 1 and 2. So I'm going to do it from this direction so they can see. I'm going to go 1 and left-hand turn. 1 and 2. So you'll see his foot is in between my 2 of mine, and then my foot went outside partner. So that's the difference between a right and a left. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.